Make monetizable lo-fi songs with AI tools completely free. A simple guide. Have you seen this channel? It has over 13 million subscribers, and the video count in views is in the millions. But it's not the only one out there. Check out these ones. Millions and millions and millions of views. And just look at their earnings. What? They all provide the same thing. Lo-fi songs with a simple background. And you can do the same thing completely free by using 2 AI tools. You'll find the links for these tools in the video description below, so feel free to check them out at any time. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can do this easily, so don't skip any part of this video. And I'm going to take you through it in steps. All right, now let's get into it. Step 1, pretty simple. Make a YouTube channel. Let's just go over this quickly. Go to YouTube, and in the right corner, you'll find the sign in button. You can sign in easily by just using your Google account. Then when you're done, click your profile icon, and here you'll see that create a channel button. Click on it, choose the channel name, upload a picture, and you're done. After that, you go to the YouTube studio where you'll upload your videos later on. Step 2, make a song with Mubert AI. You don't need to play instruments to make a song now. Believe me, AI tools are here to do that for you.
Hey, that's pretty good.
For this, I'll use a great AI audio generator, Mubert AI. Take a second to sign up and you're on their dashboard. Now it's time to create your lo-fi song. In this video, I'm going to create a Christmas song. You know those songs you hear in the background when you're having a nice Christmas lunch or dinner with your family? Yeah, that's the one. Christmas is already over, by the way. I just can't accept it. You get to write a prompt or upload a picture, and based on this, the AI will make a song. But you can also choose the genres, and there are a lot of them here, so pick the one that suits you. Additionally, you can choose the mood and the activities. I chose the Christmas mood. Set the duration of your track, and click generate. Now you have to wait a minute or two for the AI to do its magic. Now when it's done, just play it. Sounds really good, right? I like it. It's kind of cheerful. Now, let's download it. Click on the download button, and here you just need to enter your YouTube channel URL to avoid some copyright issues. When you're done, the song is downloaded. Let's try to make one with a prompt. I'll just type in Christmas lo-fi, and here's the result. Sounds like restaurant ambient music, but it's not bad. You've got the song. Let's move on. Step 3, make a video background using Runway AI. Go to the Runway ML website and choose the option to create a video with text. Enter a simple prompt like a Christmas video with snow falling on houses and snowmen. Click generate and wait a few seconds. Here's the result. So there's no snowman, but it's pretty good. I'm going to use it. Now this was pretty simple, right? Step 4, merge with Movavi. Everyone uses CapCut for merging and editing videos, but I'm going to use the Movavi video editor. It's extremely simple and anyone can use it, even if pronouncing it isn't. Download the editor for the Movavi website completely free, and let's merge our lo-fi song. Upload the files, the lo-fi song and the video. Adjust the length of the video, and that's it. Let's listen to our lo-fi Christmas song. Now step 5 is to upload the video to YouTube. Go back to YouTube Studio and upload the video. It may take a few minutes depending on the size. Here it's important that you have a good title, a good video description, and most importantly, or just as important, keywords. For this you can use ChatGPT to help you. Just make sure you write a good prompt. For example, write a YouTube video title and description for a cheerful lo-fi Christmas song. Also write all the relevant keywords that I'll need. And there you have it. You've got everything you need. Upload the video, copy the title, video description and keywords, and adjust the thumbnail. You can make a great thumbnail for free using Canva. And then you're good to publish your first lo-fi video. You need to gather 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views to get monetized. But if you post good quality videos and use the right keywords, this can actually happen really, really quickly. So 5 minutes and 5 steps. That's all it takes to create a lo-fi song with AI tools. Go ahead and try it yourself by using our links in the video description.